doing hand embroidery, should you stitch on just one layer of fabric or should you have 2 layers of fabric? That's what I'm going to talk about today. Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, embroidery, and embroidery. So should you stitch on 1 layer of fabric or should you have 2 layers of fabric? Well, the answer to that is the answer that really annoys my kids when I give it to them, but it depends and it's kind of up to you. So most of the time I do my embroidery on only 1 layer of fabric, and that works a lot of the time. But there are times when you might want to have 2 layers of fabric. So you might want to have 2 layers of fabric if you have very dense stitching. So if you have a lot of stitching, a lot of stitches that are close together, then 2 layers of fabric will give it the extra support that it needs. Another time you might want to have 2 layers of fabric is if your top fabric is very lightweight and delicate and it can't support the stitching on its own. So again, 2 layers is giving extra support. So for example, if you have a lightweight linen, you might want linen to be on the top, but maybe have a good quality cotton fabric in behind just to give extra support to your stitching. That's another time you might want 2 layers. Another time you might want 2 layers is if you have a very light background. If you have a very light fabric and you're using very dark thread, you might want to have that extra fabric on the back to avoid bleed through, or when you see the threads through the fabric traveling in behind. That's another time when people use that. And sometimes people use those 2 layers so that when they're ending the thread, they can have the ends of the threads go in between the 2 layers, and that helps the back of their embroidery look really neat and tidy. So if that's something that's important to you, you might want to consider that. So there are a lot of reasons why you might want to use 2 layers of fabric. There are some situations where you might not want to use 2 layers of fabric. And the biggest one that comes to mind is if you're doing embroidery and it's going to be used in a quilt, and especially if you want to hand quilt it, you probably don't want another piece of fabric in behind, because then when you're doing quilting, especially hand quilting, you're going through even more layers, and that is probably going to be more challenging. So 1 layer or 2 layers, there's no right or wrong answers. But if you're having problems and your fabric doesn't seem to be able to support your stitches, adding another layer might fix it. So I'm curious, have you ever stitched on 2 layers of fabric? Or would you not bother? Let me know in the comments. And for more embroidery tutorials, patterns, and inspiration, you can check out my website, epidastudio.com.